Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a Target haul for you guys. These deals started on Sunday, November 27th, and they are good up until Saturday, December 3rd. But before I get into these deals, if you are new to this channel and you are not currently subscribed to me, I would really appreciate if you would go ahead and click that red subscribe button along with the notification bell so that you will be aware of each and every time that I upload new videos. With that being said, let's go ahead and get right into these deals. Okay guys, so with everything that you see here, I was able to get for $39.35. I used three rebate apps. I used IBOTTA, SHOPKICK, and Fetch Rewards. So this week at Target, when you spend $100 on baby care items, you will receive a $20 Target gift card. These are the items that I grabbed. So let's go ahead and get right into the deals. So first off, I went ahead and I purchased two of these Drift laundry stain removers, and these are priced at Target for $3.99. So $3.99 times 2 is $7.98. We do have a 15% off Drift digital coupon on the Target app. So with that 15% taken off both bottles, it took off a grand total of 96 cents. So $7.98 minus the 96 cents from the 15% coupon, that brought the total down to $7.02. And then Ibotta has a rebate for $2 back. The limit is 5, but I only purchased 2. So 2 times 2 is 4. So $7.02 minus the $4 from Ibotta, that brings the total down to just $3.02 for both, or it'll make each one just $1.51. And then next up, I purchased the Johnson's Head to Toe Wash and Shampoo. This is the 13.6 ounce. And then I also purchased the Johnson's Curl Defying Leave-In Conditioner, and this is the 6.8 ounce. So the Johnson's Head to Toe Wash and Shampoo is priced at $4.39. And then the Johnson's Curl Defining Leave-In Conditioner is priced at $5.39. So $4.39 plus $5.39 is $9.78. We do have a SHOPKICK bundle for both items worth 1,200 kicks, which is $4.80. So $9.78 minus the $4.80 from SHOPKICK, that will bring your total down to $4.98, or it'll make each one just $2.49. And then next up, I went ahead and I grabbed this box of Huggies wipes. This is the 6-pack, and it has a total of 288 wipes. These are priced at Target for $11.49. And then I went ahead and purchased the smaller pack, the 56 count, for $2.39. So $11.49 plus $2.39 is $13.88. We do have a $1 off of 2 coupon over on the coupons.com app. So $13.88 minus that $1 coupon, it'll bring your total down to $12.88. And then I purchased the package of Huggies Little Snugglers, and these are priced at Target for $10.39. We do have a $3 coupon over on the coupons.com app. So $10.39 minus that $3 coupon from coupons.com, that'll bring your total down to $7.39. And then I have the Huggies bigger box. This is priced at $28.49. We do have a $3 digital coupon on the Target app. So $28.49 minus the $3 digital coupon will bring your total down to $25.49. But we also have a $4 rebate on Ibotta. So $25.49 minus that $4 rebate, that will bring your total down to just $21.49. And then lastly, I went ahead and purchased this box of Good Nights, and this is priced at Target for $29.99. We do have a $5 digital coupon on the Target app. So $29.99 minus that $5 digital coupon will bring your total down to $24.99. But then you're going to go ahead and submit your receipt over to Ibotta, and you're going to get back $6. So $24.99 minus the $6 that you received from Ibotta, that's going to bring your total down to $18.99 for this package of diapers. Now, those were the individual deals if you wanted to do those items individually. But I did everything in this one transaction. So here is my receipt. So there is the Huggies big box at $28.49. My Huggies Good Nights at $29.99. My package of Huggies $10.39. There is the $20 Target gift card when you spend $100. There's the Huggies wipes at $11.49, the big box. The Huggies 56 count at $2.39. And then we have the Johnson's baby wash at $4.39. And then the Johnson's curl defining cream at $5.39. And then there are both of the Dreft at $3.99 each. But as you can see, that 15% off did come off. So that made each one $3.51 each. So my subtotal came out to be $99.55. Before the 15% off for the Dreft, the total was actually $101.51. But minus that 15%, it brought it down to $99.55. For my red card savings, I did save $3.58. So $99.55 minus the $3.58 that I saved with my Target red card, that brought my total down to $95.97. We're not going to worry about the taxes because everyone's taxes are different. And then as you can see where it shows the coupons that I use a total of $8 in digital coupons, $5 for the Huggies Good Nights, and $3 for a $3 digital coupon for the Huggies diapers. So that's a total of $8 in coupons that I used. So $95.97 minus the $8 in digital coupons that I used, that brought my total down to $87.97. Then I got back my $20 Target gift card right here. So $87.97 minus this $20 Target gift card, that brought my total down to $67.97. Then I went ahead and submitted my receipt over to IBOTTA, and I got back a total of $14 from IBOTTA. I got back $2 for my first bottle of Dreft, $2 for my second bottle of Dreft, $4 for my Huggies diapers, and $6 for my Huggies Good Nights. So that's a total of $14 that I got back from IBOTTA. So $67.97 minus the $14 that I got back from IBOTTA, that brought my total down to $53.97. Then I went ahead and submitted my receipt over to the coupons.com app, and I did receive back a total of $4. I received back $1 when you buy 2 Huggies wipes, and I also received back the $3 for my second package of Huggies diapers that I didn't have a digital coupon for. So $53.97 minus the $4 that I received from coupons.com, that brought my total down to $49.97. Then I went ahead and I submitted my receipt over to the Fetch Rewards app, and I got back a total of $5.82 from Fetch Rewards. I got back a total of $3 for the Good Nights, and I forgot to include that in my breakdown when I was doing the breakdown for these. But I got back $3 for my Good Nights, and then I got back a total of $2 for the Huggies, and then I got some extra points for, you know, some of my other Huggies items in this transaction. So total, I got back $5.82 from Fetch Rewards. So $49.97 minus the $5 that I received back from Fetch Rewards, that brought my total down to $44.15. Lastly, I went ahead and submitted my receipt over to SHOPKICK. I did receive back my 1,200 kicks, so that is a total of $4.80. So $44.15 minus the $4.80 that I got from SHOPKICK, that brought my grand total down to $39.35 for all of these items. Remember, the retail price for this is $101.51, but I was able to snag all of these items for just $39.35. So this was a fantastic transaction at Target. I'm even thinking about going ahead and doing a second transaction because these are items that I sell in my household bundles. This is a perfect bundle to resell. So that is going to be it for this transaction, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave me some comments down in the comment section, and go ahead and thumbs up this video if you enjoyed. Let me know if you shop at Target or not. If so, are you going to do this Huggies diaper deal? Let me know down in the comment section below. Don't forget to submit your receipts to Fetch Rewards if you are not using Fetch Rewards, I will have that linked in the description box below, along with my code on the screen for you. When you sign up using my code, you will receive 2,000 points, which is $2. Same thing with IBOTTA. If you are not using IBOTTA, I will have that linked in the description box below as well. When you sign up using my code, you will receive $10 when you redeem your first rebate through IBOTTA. So that is going to be it for this transaction, you guys. Well, that is going to be it for this video, you guys. And I will see you all in my next one.